Hey everybody, Ben here with We Go Fishing, and I'm in my backyard, and I've got a lot of natural noise around me. You probably hear a cicada up in the tree. I'm not saying that I hope a bird eats him, but I've been waiting for a while thinking he would stop making that noise, and he won't stop making that noise. So now I'm like thinking, yeah, I still hope a bird eats him. Anyway, welcome to the channel. Have you ever had one of those most beautiful weekends coming up? The weather looks perfect, the wind looks great. It just looks like it's going to be the perfect fishing weekend, but there's one problem. It's a holiday weekend. And we all know that holiday weekends, especially during COVID, we have seen a lot of boat traffic. I don't know if it's just where we are or what it's been, but boat traffic has just been extreme. And you're wondering, will I be able to catch fish on a holiday weekend with all the boat traffic? Because it's a holiday weekend, it's COVID, and the weather's beautiful. So you got like 3 strikes right there. And you're thinking, but with all the boat traffic, and there's gonna be that one boater, we know it. You're gonna go out there, not only you have drunk guy and party guy and party boat guys and PWC guys and just all these different boaters out there, you got all those people. But then you can have that one guy who sees you fishing in a spot and he thinks, I'm just gonna cut right over that guy. I don't even care. I'm just going right over him. Channel's behind me, I don't care. I'm going right over where he's fishing. And you know that's gonna happen. But anyway, you're wondering in your head, can I still catch fish? Because the fish are calling and you just gotta get out there and your family wants to go fishing. And so here we go, check it out. Wow, that guy's gonna anchor right there. Because we got 2 boats here. You brought a banana on the boat. You brought a banana on the boat. Hang on, hang on. It's like a boat parade. It's a boat parade. Goodness. My goodness, it is just non-stop boats. I don't know, but this is ridiculous. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. We're not even getting ladyfish bites here. There's just too many boats.
You're scaring all of them away.
What is this guy doing? Are you for real? Really? No. Channel's over there. That guy literally cut through on purpose. Okay, go ahead and drop it.
Try that one.
What you got?
Trout, Mommy.
Trout. Little trout.
You can just flip it on.
There you go. That breaks it off.
Alright, dude. Alright. Let's go.
I'm not sure if he's 10.
He's got like
Alright.
15.
He looks a little small.
He's a little small.
There's our first trout. Whoa, dude. Chill. Alright, dude. Let's see how big you are. Here we are.
Look at this rib. I'm not sure you'll catch my boat. Yes, I will catch you.
There's something next to your collar.
Yes.
Way too close to the boat.